Hi, this is Brian Schwepke, physical therapist with Paramount Performance. Today we're going to talk a little bit about core control and strength and why it's so important to be able to resist rotation before you can create rotation. If you look at our previous video on motor control and the different stages, you'll see that it's really important to be able to follow each stage step by step to make sure you're putting yourself in a good position to succeed and to avoid injuries. Most of the time when it comes to performance training, athletes will go out and they'll just start doing rotation exercises right away, whether that's actively swinging or doing chops on a free motion machine or med ball tosses, whatever. They're creating rotation of some sort, which is a much more powerful and explosive maneuver than the previous stages, which would be stability and mobility. So let's just assume, for the sake of assuming, that this athlete that we're talking about here already went through the mobility part. They have really good hip mobility, their back moves well, there's no problems. Now the next stage would be stability. So if we take an exercise like this, which would be just a standing stability push, where we're activating the core and we're learning how to resist the rotation that's being applied by this band here. This is teaching me how to efficiently use my muscles. When I've accomplished that goal, now I'm in a much more safe and prepared position for the progression to something more like a rotation. So it's imperative that athletes be able to resist that rotation through different forces before we take them to that next level. If you have any more questions about the way that we progress rotational training, check out ParamountPerformancePT.com.